just found a gem, dude. Oh my god. Look at this elevator. Oh my god. Oh shit. No way. Oh, we're gonna pick up someone on the way down. It's good though. We're staying in. Look at that. I can't believe this thing is original. What is that? Stop. Look at that logo. Oh my god. This is a beautiful COP. This is overhead traction. I don't know where that lady went. Look at this. That is so cool. Basement. Look at that. It used to be hand operated too. Wow. That's probably the only thing that they changed about this. Made it an automatic door. Other than that, everything is original. Amazing. Look at the light. Oh my god. I'm freaking out. Should we go again?
Okay. Here, do you want to see if you can look at that?
Yeah, that's the interlock right there. Wow. Okay, watch out, that door could close. Yeah, let's go again. Here we go.
Open right here.
Look at that call station. Wow. Wow. Absolutely incredible elevator. There's a little vent down here. Shine your light. Oh, nice. I love that logo. Ooh. All right. Picture time.